Hey, this is Himanshu. I'm the Senior Director and Energy Industry Professional, and I'm a certified electrical engineer and have 2 decades of industry experience exclusively into the power distribution and transmission. So absolutely, the very clear demarcations, because I run a business, right? It's very important for us to know like what happens at the minimalists and how do they think. So we are in the hiring spree. It's very important for us to know like what the minimalists think like. So perhaps this kind of the leadership program will help us the new age techniques to understand how a new hiring is going to behave in the organization. So it's very important for us to match up with them. Perhaps that could be the reason that brought me to the XLRI. So absolutely, putting up the right policies within the company as a framework. One, second, obviously the hiring is something which is going to be really, really important for us, because if you look at the present industry landscape, the attrition rate of every power sector company is having more than 38% of attrition. It's very important for us to know like how and what should be the leadership critical role to retain and groom the employees to be able to make a successful venture and a profitable one. Many actually, in fact, a lot of things. Let's say that one of the things that I was really passionate to learn about was the digital transformation in the organization. If you look at the conventional landscape of the power sector, so digital transformation is yet to happen. We are age-old infrastructure kind of a system that we run on, right? It's very important for us to understand how do we transform and what are the latest techniques that are into the digital transformation. This course has helped me a lot in this, right? And obviously, like my other colleagues have mentioned, leadership techniques, especially in terms of strategic decisions, are a very major importance given the present business conditions. So perhaps that's going to be my takeaway from the course.